Here's Tix back with another tutorial. Tix, also known as Scrubby Dev. You can call me Tix or Scrubby, whatever you want. But we're gonna come here with the new Escape Tsunami kit. This was pretty requested by somebody, and I already had it made, so might as well just publish the tutorial and let everybody use this kit. So I'm gonna put the file on my Discord. I already put it here, like less than 1 minute ago. Okay, once you get that file, it's also published to Roblox. It's gonna be published to Roblox. By the way, all right. Once you got the file, import it Roblox model, or if it's in your toolbox. If you got it in your toolbox, I don't know because Roblox might delete it. But if it's in your toolbox, just import it. Okay, it's pretty simple. This was fully scripted by me. This uses the scripts from the Twin Plays. Um, this uses the scripts from the Twin Plays videos. So you're gonna ungroup everything here. Lighting, ungroup. I have to delete this. I think this is good. Whatever. Okay, then material service. Ungroup it. Just ungroup utility to. Control U. And trust me, this, huh? Let me show you. This is very important because like your game's gonna look like this. This is very ugly, and once you import it here, it makes the SID models. So that's really good, and that's really important. Replicated storage, ungroup. Here's your assets, your items, your mutations. I'll put some things already here, but it's only a little bit of things. I'm gonna put a lot. And then server script service, and group, sound service, and group, starter UGI, and group. There's no admin panel yet, guys. I'm gonna make an admin panel soon. Start back here, that. I'm sorry that there's no admin panel. It's gonna. I'm gonna make it soon. Trust me. I'm gonna make an admin panel soon. Workspace here. You can also read me if you want. It's not too important. It's just it talks about who it's made by, whatever. You can delete this. Okay, after you did that, let me make everything clean. Once you did that, you're gonna publish to Roblox. Just dot dot dot. Yes, do it by me. Alright, do it however you want, to be honest. Alright, it's publishing. Done. It's gonna restart my Roblox video real quick. You see? Alright, it's gonna be a quick little tutorial. Let me know if you guys want me to make more kits. I'm also gonna put my Discord in the description. The old Discord link has expired. I'm sorry about that. I didn't know it does that. Alright. Well, other than that, go to experience settings. Go the category. Oh my days, I probably. Alright, either way. And this is very important. Just do like these three. Yeah, just do these three. Save it. Now you can test it out, see if it works. Oh yeah, I have $0. It doesn't matter. No Mike Wazowski. Free call. There it is. See, you got it. Sell it. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Why is this broken? Alright. I don't know why it doesn't work. This works. This is good. Alright, this works. It's just a shop that doesn't work. You can test everything out. Oh. I'm gonna fix this. I'll fix this another day. It's probably a Game Pass, not a developer ID. Developer pass. leaderboard. Money leaderboard doesn't work. I'll try to fix that too. Top speed does work. Speed does work. I'm just, yeah. Here we go. You place it. You get money. Alright. Everything seems pretty good. If you have any problems, let me know. Join my Discord. I'll put my Discord in the description. Let's see. Yeah, star works. Index works. Rebirth works. Yeah. This is my Game Pass, so it's alright. So once you buy the Game Pass, you can change to the Game Passes however you want. To your Game Pass ID or developer. Like VIP does work. VIP does work. That's good. I'm gonna try to make more things. I'm gonna try to make this kit better. But this is all I got for now. Um, you can fix it to however you want. You can change the waves too. Yeah, I probably don't like the waves, but oh my days. But yeah, alright, this is good. Alright, so everything seems to work. But that's all I got for today. Oh, ragdoll works. Oh damn. Alright, that's all I got for today. I just wanted to show you guys that kit. Okay, so join the Discord in the description. This is how it should look like. Stuff like that. The file would be here. Escape Tsunami kit. Alright. Not too much people, but I have made a bet to one of my friends that if I get 50 Discord members or 50 Roblox members, I will do a face reveal in my next video. So make sure you join the Discord in the description. So other than that, peace out. Ruby Dev is out.